Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about question and answers from the lesson Physiography of India. The first question is, which are the main physiographic divisions of India? Northern Mountains, Northern Great Plain, Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plains and Islands. Next question. State how the Northern Great Plains were formed. It is formed by the depositional work of three river systems, Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Mention the valleys of the Lesser Himalaya. Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley and Kulu Valley. Next one. What are the features of Western Ghat? Western Ghats are continuous range running parallel to the west coast of India. They are higher than Eastern Ghat and continuous. Anamudi is the highest peak in South India. They extended from Tapi Valley to Kanyakumari. Next question. Explain the importance of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is rich in minerals, thick forest and biodiversity. It has influence on southwest monsoons. It is covered with black soil which is useful for agriculture. Western Ghats are birthplace of many South Indian rivers and useful for generation of hydroelectricity. It is also well known for hill stations such as Ooty. Next one. Explain the importance of Northern Great Plain. Northern Great Plain is very suitable for irrigation and agriculture, and it has rivers and vast fertile alluvial soil. Its level land supports a network of roads, railways and means of communication. They are useful for industrialization, urbanization and trade. A number of pilgrim centers are located here. Next one. Explain the importance of coastal plain. Coastal plains of India provide some natural harbors which help in carrying foreign trade. The coastal plain are useful for fishing and shipbuilding, agriculture and production of salt as well. Many beaches are found along the coast and they attract tourists. The backwaters of coastal plain useful for navigation. Thank you for watching.